So what we have here is an Intel Core i5 NUC together with a Lime SDR transceiver board, similar to the one that's built into this acrylic case, plus a screen and a power supply, all built into an equipment enclosure. Just to the left we've got a Intel Edison board that's running some software that's taking the SoC die temperature and then broadcasting those via Bluetooth Low Energy advertisements. Now running on the Intel NUC we have the Pothos Data Flow Programming Suite, and that provides a number of different signal processing blocks along with other components that can be assembled together into a topology. The demo that's running at the moment is using the Lime SDR board as a signal source. It's tuning that to 2.42 gigahertz. There's then DC removal. If we just scroll down here, we can see next the signal goes through a filter. I think that's a low pass filter, and then frequency demodulation, and then there's a block that acts as a Bluetooth Low Energy decoder, and finally messages are printed out, and we can see this at the bottom here. So in there we have the MAC address of the Bluetooth Low Energy device, and then where it says service data, this is the temperature in degrees C of the SoC die on the Intel Edison. And actually that we've set the Edison up so that if we press a button on the side, this will simulate the temperature spiking to 100 degrees C. So it doesn't actually change the temperature, it just causes the temperature as reported in the Bluetooth Low Energy advertisements to spike to 100. Yeah, and that's it, and that's one example of just one of the many things that you could build with a combination of this hardware, the Intel NUC, the Lime SDR board, and the Pothos Data Flow Programming Suite.